This is 7 Eyewitness News at 6.
Good evening once again. Victims of child sex abuse now have more power in their hands to fight for justice.
An historic day here in New York as Governor Cuomo signed the Child Victims Act into law. It is a measure that's been blocked in Albany for the past decade, until investigative reporting by the 7 Eyewitness News I-Team and others told the stories of hundreds of victims who were abused by Catholic priests. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Hannah Buehler breaks down what it all means now for the survivors of sexual abuse.
The ink is now dry on the Child Victims Act, a bill that survivors of child sex abuse have been waiting for a lifetime.
People who may have thought about doing this and were told, well, the statute of limitations is gone, may want to revisit the issue.
Attorney Steve Boyd represents victims of child sex abuse. He says from today moving forward, survivors now have until the age of 28 to go to police and report sexual abuse that happened when they were a child.
The longer the time has gone by, it makes it more difficult for us because, evidence is gone. Witnesses' memories are not as good as they were, when the crime occurred. So, those are things that we'll have to deal with, and we'll deal with them.
Civilly, there are options for justice. The bill now gives victims of child sex abuse until the age of 55 to bring a civil case against their abuser. And starting 6 months from now, there's a 1-year look-back window for a person of any age to bring a civil case against their abuser.
1 year period starting in the middle of August, anyone of any age will be able to file a lawsuit. After the look-back window, the statute of limitations will be 55.
Prosecutors like Erie County District Attorney John Flynn say the CVA is a victory for everyone.
And it disturbed me over the course of the past year here when all these allegations and all these crimes came out, and I couldn't give these individuals justice. And that frustrated me because I believe them. I believe that crimes had occurred.
Again, that 1-year look-back window for anyone of any age to bring a civil case against their abuser starts in 6 months. Attorneys that I talked to, like Steve Boyd, tell me they've already received a steady flow of calls from survivors who are ready to take the next legal step. We're live in the newsroom tonight. Hannah Buehler, 7 Eyewitness News.
Okay.